Hi, I'm Joe Faugno, head baker here at Carlo's Bakery, and I'm here to show you how to heat up your focaccia. All right, so I'm gonna get the box out. This is probably what you received in the mail. You should have 6 focaccia, 2 flavors, olive, tomato, and traditional, which is tomato. And the rest of these you could take out of the case, put them in your freezer. They're good for 6 months to keep them wrapped. And as long as they're frozen, they'll be fine. All right, so we're gonna remove the plastic, and our focaccia will be frozen. And we're gonna put them on a pan with a screen. The reason why we want you to put it on a screen is so it'll crisp up the bottom a little bit. If you don't have a screen, you could still do it, but invest in the screen, it's worth it. So now our oven is set for 350 degrees. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. All right, so it's time to take our focaccia out. Smells good. You can drizzle some olive oil over these if you like, or you can leave them plain. So I'm gonna put a little olive oil on one here. Now we're gonna cut them up. Look at that, nice and airy, crisp on the bottom. So these are the hit of the party. These are great for appetizers, sitting around watching the game. This is some good stuff right here. You can order these on carlosbakery.com, so get online and get yourself some.